Hello YouTube friends, Alicia here with another journal. As you've noticed, I've been making them quite a bit more regularly. I go through phases, I guess you could say. But this is a fall journal with a kit from That's Just Penny, and it's beautiful. So I wanted to make it. And I'm going to apologize for the shadows. It is like 10 o'clock at night here, and I'm filming on my floor. So there's nothing negative about the shadows. I have fluorescent lighting, which is awful. But anyways, so clearly it is just her page stitched onto some cardstock, and then I used some vintage trim, and I made a dangle, which I've never done one like this before, but I think they're so cute. It's just beads on baker's twine. And then I used the picture hook and a brad. These picture hooks I get from AliExpress. I saw that somewhere to use them for charms. And then the back is just that. And let's see. Oh, this is not a great angle. Sorry, that should be a little bit better. Okay, so I've had these burlap pockets forever. I got them at the thrift store, and I finally thought to use them. And so there's nothing in the pocket, but you know, you can put a tag or whatever. This is just a ball pin that I attached, just wallpaper with a little bit of a cluster on it. I had these in a drawer, and I thought they were fallish, so I used them. I also used, okay, they're from like the cheap scrapbooking packs that used to be a big thing, where they would come with like the frames, the stickers, and the paper, and they were all generally kind of tacky. This one actually had some nice stuff in it, so I used it, but I don't remember what they're called. Some of them have some nice stuff, but they're normally like the really little kid designs. But anyways, yeah. And then I used my gold trim, which I am pretty much out of now. I don't know what's up with my glue. It is not gluing. I'll have to fix that. Yeah, so this is from that, and then I printed on the back side with a sheet from, like I said, That's Just Penny. Used some doilies, more of her beautiful kit. This is also from her, but it's not part of the kit. Book page, and I sewed an acetate pocket on it, and then I added some items. This is wallpaper. I should have probably backed it, but I did not. I love the candy corn. Just a tag and a journaling spot. This is also that paper from that scrapbooking kit. I love this page from Penny's kit. Smile, it's the key that fits the lock to everybody's heart. This is a Fiskars stamp set. We give thanks. Made these little envelopes with the punch I have. The punch is really cute and the envelope idea is really cute. I have a hard time making them look like envelopes. They're always a little bit wonky, but anyways, I did my best and I just glued them on. Just a stamp I have. Stamped it and colored it. Burlap here, sticker, mushroom stamp. I love mushrooms. I love foraging for mushrooms. when I'm out in Saskatchewan, which has not happened in a couple years, but anyways. I also really like this page. I just like this kit. Penny did a really good job with it. This is a hidden paper clip, so there's a paper clip under there. And you can journal in here or add a photo. Doily. This kit would be really fun, and I might do it yet, to do like a coffee themed with, and coffee and tea, and just like, you know, cozy blanket type journal. This is handmade paper. Just an embellishment. This is Stampin' Up stamp from years ago. I just colored it, and it's Shife, crooked, and not intentionally. It's still cute, but anyways, I made a little cluster, just a leaf, burlap leaf, and then the image. Some tags I did using up scraps. I really like these tags, actually. I should make more of them. I need to put a topper in that one. This journal will be for sale, just as usual. Message me on YouTube if you're interested. I'm really debating starting an Etsy shop or some kind of selling platform, but I don't know that I want all the work involved with that, just because a lot of my stuff doesn't sell. This is an altered envelope, junk mail envelope, which you can put whatever you want in it. These were also fun to make using up scraps. It's kind of funny, but I prefer to use scraps than full pages, and so I love doing this kind of thing. I don't know. I have like 6 feet of scrapbooking paper, like shelving, and I always go for my scraps to play with, or my dollar store stuff, which I don't totally understand because I have a lot of expensive crafting items that I just don't use because I prefer my dollar store or my thrifted, recycled stuff. Maybe that's why my journals don't sell. I don't know. Cluster I made. I really like this cluster too. I should make more of those. But yeah, I don't know if I want to go into all the work that an Etsy store would involve, just because I do work almost full time. And I have a lot of other things that I need to get done. Just some bird punches. Sticker. Let me guys know what you think, what the best way to sell journals is, or how to go about it. Another altered paper clip. I really like this image too. I want to buy, I don't have one. I would like the Tim Holtz lantern die, but I don't have any lantern dies. I would like to own one. This is just came with the kit, the scrapbooking kit, not Penny's kit. Just, I don't know what this is. A time card? No. Like a credit debit card. Like when you purchase something, I think. I'm not totally sure. Just something I altered. I'm not tired, but I know I'm coming across as seeming kind of half asleep. We've been, I work with Teen Challenge, and I work at one of the super thrifts, and we're moving locations, so I've just have a lot in my mind, I guess. Of all the possessions, a friend is the most precious. Just a quote. Another one of these wallpaper clusters I did. I like this. I enjoyed making the clusters. I don't normally put chunky things in my journals, but this is super cute. I need to make more of these. I'm gonna make some and then put little booklets in. It's a coin roller, and I just turn it into like a matchbook. But here it's just decorative. I mean, you could write inside it if you wanted to, but I just added it as decoration. Okay, it really does close. And then just a plain card, cute stamp, and that is the back. So yeah, I hope you like it. I really like this journal. I think it turned out really nice. If you're interested in purchasing it or any other questions or comments, leave them below, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching.